Let's continue for our practice problem number 13. Given Z is 0.75, our mean is 60, sigma equal to 8, find the actual value of X score. So we're given Z is equal to 0.75, mean equal to 60, sigma equal to 8. So we are required to determine the X score using the formula X is equal to the mean plus Z score times standard deviation. And using and substituting the given data, we have X is equals to 60 plus 0.75 times the 8. Our final answer is X score is equal to 66. Number 14. If Z is negative 0.5, the mean is 50, sigma is 4, determine the corresponding value of X. So our solution, the formula to use is X is equals to mean plus Z score times the sigma. Substituting the given data, we have our solution, X is equals to 50 plus negative 0.5 times 4. Our final answer, X is equal to 48. Practice problem number 50. A random variable has a mean mu is equal to 45 and sigma equal to 5. If Z is equal to 1.4, find the value of X using our formula for X, which is X is equal to mean plus Z score times standard deviation, and substituting the given data, our solution is X equal to 45 plus 1.4 times 5. Our final answer is X is equal to 52. Practice problem number 16. If the mean is 120, the sigma is 155, and Z is equal to negative 2, calculate the corresponding X. So we're given standard deviation equal to 120, sigma 15, X is negative 2, required X score. So using the formula, X is equals to the mean plus the Z score times standard deviation sigma, and substituting the given data, we have X is equals to 120 plus negative 2 times 15. Final answer, X is equal to 90. Practice problem number 19. If Z is 0, U is 90, sigma is 10, what is the value of X? Using the formula, X is equals to mean plus Z score times the sigma. Substituting the given data, we have the solution, X is equal to 90 plus 0 times 10. Final answer, our X score is 90. Practice problem number 18. A distribution has a mean 30, sigma 6. Find X when Z is 2.3. Use the formula X is equal to the mean plus Z score times the standard deviation. Our solution will be X is equal to 70 plus negative 1.8 times 9. The final answer, x equal to 53.8. Practice problem number 19. If z is equals to negative 1.8, mu is 70, sigma is 9, compute the value of x. So our formula to use is x equal to sigma plus z-score times standard deviation. So therefore, our solution will be x is equals to 70 plus negative 1.8 times 9. Our final answer, our x-score is equal to 53.8. Practice problem number 20. So we're given the mean, 250. The sigma, 50. Find the x-score when z-score is 1.6. Using the formula x is equals to the mean plus the z-score times the standard deviation, our solution will be x equals to 250 plus 1.6 times 50. Final answer, x is equal to 330. Okay, so we will now proceed to the MCQ of our Quarter 3 Data and Probability lesson Roman numeral number 11, conversion between normal and standard normal distributions. Number 1. If x with a normal distribution having a standard deviation of 100 and standard deviation 15, what is the z-score for x equal to 115? Letter A, 1.0. Letter B, 1.5. Letter C, 0.5. Letter D, 2.0. Number 2. A normal random variable x of a normal distribution having a mean of 70 and standard deviation of 10, find the value of x if the z-score is 2. Letter A, 80. Letter B, 85. Letter C, 90. Letter D, 95. MCQ number 3. If z is equals to x minus mu over sigma, then x can be expressed as a is equals to mu times z plus sigma. Letter B, x equals to mu plus z sigma. Letter C, x equals to z minus mean times sigma. Letter D, x equals to sigma minus mu times z. MCQ number 4. A normal distribution has mean 200 and standard deviation 25. What is the z-score for x is equal to 250? Letter A, 2.0. Letter B, 1.5. Letter C, 1.0. Letter D, 0.5. MCQ number 5. If the z-score of x is equal to 45, if the z-score of x score equal to 45 is negative 1 with mean 50, what is sigma? Letter A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, D, 10. MCQ number 6. If x random variable of a normal distribution having a mean 120 and standard deviation 12, what value of x corresponds to z is equal to -2? Letter A, 96. Letter B, 100. C, 110. D, 140. MCQ number 7. Which of the following correctly represents the process of standardization? Letter A, dividing the mean by the variance. Letter B, subtracting the mean and dividing by the standard deviation. Letter C, multiplying by the mean and variance. Letter D, adding the mean to the standard deviation. Number 8. A test score is normally distributed with mean 500 and standard deviation 100. What is the z-score of a score of 650? Letter A, 1.0. Letter B, 1.5. Letter C, 2.0. Letter D, 2.5. MCQ number 9. If z is 0, what does this mean for the value of x? So letter A, x equal to mean. Letter B, x is equal to sigma. Letter Z, x equal to 0. D is equals to mu plus sigma. MCQ number 10. The SAT scores are normally distributed with the mean 400 and sigma 100. What row score corresponds to y is equals to 1.2? Letter A, 480. Letter B, 520. Letter C, 520 again. Letter D, 600. MCQ number 11. If x is 75, mean 70, and sigma is equal to 5, what is the z-score? Letter A, 0.5. Letter B, 1.0. C, 1.5. D, 2.0. MCQ number 12. A normal distribution has mean equal to 60, sigma equal to 8. Which value of x corresponds to z is equal to 1.5? A, 68. B, 72. C, 78. C, 74. D, 78. MCQ number 13. If the z-score is negative, then the value of x is letter A, equal to the mean. B, greater than the mean. C, less than the mean. D, always 0. We will have the next part of our lesson, Quarter 3 DP. Lesson Roman numeral number 11.